Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are checking out condiments that were sent to me as a gift to check out and test in my kitchen, and these are absolutely delicious. These come from a family-owned company and produced in Jordan. They are very authentic, they are halal certified, they do not have any preservatives, additives, added oils, so clean, such great ingredients, and they taste amazing. So we've got your tomato sauce, which is a garlic aioli type flavor. You've got your tahini sauce, sesame seed salad dressing, and you've got your spicy shatsa sauce, which is great for turning the heat up on various dishes. These are shelf stable until you open them. Once you do open them, you want to keep them in the refrigerator, but they are great on vegetables, on your salads, with your meat, with your pita chips. These are such a great and easy way to add some Middle Eastern flavor to your dishes in your home and just elevate those flavors. The tomato sauce has a nice mild garlic flavor. It is so creamy and delicious. I absolutely love this on my veggies. The tahini sauce is a nice sesame seed flavor. I'm loving this one on my salads and with my beef. And the shatsa, I'm gonna have my husband taste this because I can't handle spicy, unfortunately. So honey, let's check it out. Okay, what's the level of spicy?
Medium.
Okay, medium spicy.
Just medium.
Just medium, okay. That's hotter than I can handle though, so. This would be great to add on any meat or dish that you want to add a little spice to. So I hope you enjoy adding some flavors to your food as much as I have.